Hard, I understand. Make it hard form. Dil mein. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Adil Hassan, and to be honest, I have a really bad habit of not reading books. But I read. In past, I have read a book whose name is Game Changer, written by Shahid Khan Afridi. In this book, he shared his whole life experience, his memories, whether they are good or bad, his life experiences, his professional career. When I am reading the book, I got on an important and interesting incident that he shares in his book is that
Please carry on.
the incident when he hits the fastest century that has been a record for almost 20 years and has broke by Corey Anderson of New Zealand. The incident was that before the night before that match, he had a dream that he is hitting sixes and fours against the team he is going to play on next day. And he shares his feelings that that dream comes true in the next day by the grace of Allah Almighty. He has written in that book.